what's going on, Jimmy?
Our antique refrigerator has bit the dust, so we're taking it apart because old people can't lift a lot of weight. So we gotta lift 5-pound chunks at a time.
We think this may be part of the problem of why this refrigerator went out. But regardless of why it went out, it's very, very dead, and we're just not willing to put another RV refrigerator in here. So we're gonna go residential. See how that goes. Wish us luck. Stripped the doors of the wood panels. I'm gonna try to find another use for those. We'll see. Sure is pretty wood. Yep, we're good. No leaks. You can see it. We have all this yellow stuff down there. And that's a sign that we have lost the cooling, I believe. Anyway, it's like an ammonia smell. We did not have that smell initially. We didn't get it until we turned the fridge off and started digging around back here. Probably a good indication that it's leaking in the area where the gas burns. Oh well. It's strong. Real strong ammonia smell. That's out of place. There she is, new fridge. We just got to figure out how to get her inside.
That should be good there, huh?
Yeah, that's good. So I want to lift it. We're going to come past the hole.
Oh, it did have a handle, didn't it?
Yeah.
Want to set the back in?
Yep, we're going to set that back corner. Okay, now we can come this way about 3-4 inches.
Okay.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Perfect.
Yeah, because
Look at
Christine
that.
and I we can move it back and forth. You know?
Yeah.
Well, you're
Look
going to
at
have a
that.
life.
What's your plumbing word?
Fault. Or the F word, I shouldn't say it.
You should not.
Shouldn't waste it anyway. Just saying it out loud.
How's it going?
Really, the overall experience has been remarkably well. Expensive, so maybe if you pay a lot of money, you get better luck.
Having great new friends really helps too.
That does.
Thanks, Jerry. We connected tubing from the defrost line to the existing drain line. We removed the passenger chair, the screen door, and the doors of the refrigerator in order to get the refrigerator body through the door. The refrigerator is flush to the cabinets, and only the handle sticks out into our walkway. We used foam to cover up the vent, the side vent for the refrigerator, to keep bugs and whatnot from getting in. Don't do any more than you have to, or it'll warp the vent cover and make it unusable. We still need to do all the trim work, but the refrigerator is installed and working fantastic.